Hey you, today we're going to be making the Dark Bag from Fortnite, so let's get into it. Okay, I'm just going to talk about the templates for this real quick because I don't want the video to run on too long, so I'll get right to that. So we have some templates here. I believe there's 3 sheets. There we go, 3 sheets. So 2 will fit together, if I can get like something like that, to make, the size of the normal thing. Then you have all your other pieces. Then you have this on the separate sheet because that didn't fit in. So those are basically the templates. I'm sure you can figure those out. Then you have the square, the chain right there. You use pieces for the zipper and those hearts. Maybe you can't even see the hearts. There are kind of heart shapes right underneath that strap. So put those down. So only things to talk about. Not too much. So that comes off, of course. The chain 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 chains. I think I made 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, they're made out of double thick cardboard. They're kind of tricky to cut, but just kind of, if you have a sharp enough knife, it won't squish them. You want it to keep them nice and thick. Then I glued down to my nice cube thing. The cube doesn't really have many seams. I kind of cut the flat pieces on an angle, all the corners on an angle, so they kind of fit together nicely. If you understand that, you don't have to do that. You could use other seamless techniques if you want to do something different. Basically, you make the base shape. I'm not sure if I showed. Let's have a look. No, so I don't say like a width for this. It really doesn't matter. It's really just based on how big you want everything to fit. And it's really like when you see this front size, you'll be like, I had these 2 front and back pieces, and I kind of like held them, and I was like, put a duct tape roll in the middle. This might be the size of a duct tape roll in the middle. I don't even really remember, but like, just make it whatever you think looks correct in relation to like with your photo you're looking at. This kind of zipper thing. This whole there's a strap right here, piece of cardboard with a zipper kind of patterns. I'm just gonna start from the front. I kind of jumping around. So from the front, I painted this all. This thing, demon, whatever, unicorn, whatever thing that is, breathing fire. It's like a separate piece of paper, actually, thick paper. I painted and then glued on. It didn't come out perfectly. It's kind of like not perfectly flush. I'd recommend not using hot glue for that. Hot glue dries way too fast. I couldn't get it like perfectly flat. So like it kind of is raised up a little bit, which is okay. But maybe use like tacky glue or like Elmer's glue, something like that. That it will have more time to smooth it out. I have these volcanoes and lava and jagged rocks and these smoking clouds. Hearts here. This is a like a taekwondo martial art kind of thing belt. It's not actually a black belt. It's a white belt like this. Painted it. This is like I cut a belt in half, which is why it's thinner. These are ones in half too. And I had to kind of use duct tape to keep it from not duct tape, sorry, a hot glue to keep it from fraying. You can see there's seams like on the back there and there. Those are covered on the front by this fabric wrapped around the edge. You can see it there, here, and another fabric right here, and this strip of cardboard. It doesn't continue on the bottom. It's just for the zipper pattern, which is the zipper is this. It's kind of the zipper chain thing you pull. It's kind of long and giant. I mean, that's how it looks in the picture. I mean, it would not very practical zipper actually, but I mean, that's how it's supposed to look. Then you just have the straps, and that's basically it. I really don't think there's anything else. So I mean, I feel like it's a lot of the painting that's important, really. Once you have the base shape down, yes, there's the chains and there's tassels or whatever all these things are, but like, you really want to focus on painting. Do that. I sketched everything out in pencil first. Always do that first before you paint. Maybe, yeah, definitely use Elmer's glue and gluing that and these hearts on. I think that's it. I do hope you did enjoy. If you enjoyed, then please do subscribe. And also, if it is still the month of October, then you can click up there and check out my wildcard mask giveaway. And that's going to be running up until Halloween. So if it's not past Halloween yet, then go up there and see that video and see how you can enter for that. That's pretty exciting. So yeah, I'll see you next time.